Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new.
"19 days to PSLE." Let's read the question. There were 95 apples and mangoes in a basket. 1/5 of the apples was 8 more than 1/6 of the mangoes. How many more apples than mangoes were there in the basket? So for this, I would choose to draw a model for this to explain. So they tell us that 1/5 of the apples, so I'm going to draw the apples, 5 parts. So one part of the apples, 1/5, if we compare it with 1/6 of the mangoes, was actually 8 more. So 8 more, so 1/6 of the mangoes would look like that. 8 less than one part of the apples. Okay, so then, so this is only 1/6 of the mangoes. We need to draw 6 parts to make it 6 out of 6. There we go. Okay, so then I need to include all the 8s for the rest of the apples as well. So right now we will have equal units for the rest of the pink parts. Okay, so everything 95. That's the total. First thing we need to do is to take away all the extra parts, all the 8s that we know. So that's 5 of them. That's 40. So let's take that away from the total of 95. So 95 minus 40, we get 55. So all of these equal units, yeah? That makes 11 of them. 11 units would be 55, so 1 unit would be 5. The question wants us to find how many more apples than mangoes were there in the basket. So I'm going to find individually, then I will subtract. So we can find apples. 5 units, so 5 times 5. And we have 5 of the 8s, right? So 8 times 5. So in total, they add up to 65. So there are 65 apples. Mangoes, there are 6 units. So that's just 5 times 6, 30. In order to find the difference, we simply subtract. So we take 65 minus 30, we get 35. So there are 35 more apples than mangoes. So that's the end of this question. I'll see you tomorrow.